Hi, I'm Judy with UksForEveryone.com, and welcome to the world of the ukulele. And I say ukulele because that's Hawaiian, where the instrument originated. The Portuguese brought it there, so I call it an uk, and you'll have a lot of fun with this. So we're going to start at the very beginning, and this is the ukulele. Put the neck to the left, and these are strings 1, 2, 3, 4. From your toes to your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. All elephants come gray. Go catch every animal. G, C, E, A. This C is the middle C on the piano. G, C, E, A. Your fingers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your ring finger is the one we're going to focus on today for the C chord. Then you have frets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is called a fret bar. You want to put your thumb behind the ukulele and then put for support, and then you need to cut off your fingernails, not as much as for a guitar, but so that you can press down straight down on it. Otherwise it will be dull. It won't be strong. And you don't want to put it on the fret bar because it will be dull. You want it close to the fret bar but straight down so you have a nice pinging sound. That's very important. Just press it down and practice that because the C chord is your base for everything. So once again, fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, third finger, 1, 2, 3 frets, first string, third finger, first string, third fret. That's the C chord, and you may just use a metronome on your phone and count 1, 2, 3, or find a speed and then speed it up, or try going up and down. And I use down, you strum where the body and the neck go together. I use the thumb down and the index finger up. Some people prefer the nail on the index finger down and then coming up, so down and up. So this is your C chord. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. You're going to have a lot of fun with ukulele. Please look at our other videos at UksForEveryone.com.